Welcome back to Geet's Kitchen. Today I will try to make 3 different types of Shrikhand. Rajbhog Shrikhand, Fruity Delight. This is a surprise. We will talk about that later. To make our Shrikhand, we will need muska. To make muska, you will need some yogurt and then tie it in a thin white cloth and so the water all comes down. Then freeze it overnight. I did that yesterday, so I have my muska ready here. Let's start the assembly. Let's divide the muska into 3 equal parts because we're making 3 Shrikhand. First, let's make Rajbhog Shrikhand. For Rajbhog Shrikhand, of course, you will need muska, crushed almonds, sliced almonds and cashews, vanilla extract, milk and some kesar, and some elaichi powder, and some sugar. Let's begin. First, we'll add the sugar. I'm making Rajbhog Shrikhand first because I love kesar. Now let's mix. Our Rajbhog Shrikhand is ready. I love it because it has kesar and the kesar has lots of flavor and good color. As you can see, the color and flavor is already getting in our Rajbhog Shrikhand. Now let's move on to the Fruity Delight. Again, you will need muska, apple, grape, and strawberry sugar. So let's begin the assembly. First, we will add the sugar. Now we will add the apples. Now let's mix. Our Fruity Delight is ready. If you have pineapple at home, you can also use pineapple. Now, let's move on to our surprise. It is a surprise because it is spicy. Yes, it is spicy. Not everybody knows you can make Shrikhand spicy. We call it savory Shrikhand. The ingredients you will need for this are muska, chili, cilantro, salt. Yes, salt. Pomegranates and sugar. Let's start the assembly. Let's mix. Our savory Shrikhand is ready. That means all our 3 Shrikhand are ready. Let me go serve and I'll be right back. I love Rajbhog Shrikhand, so I'll try Rajbhog Shrikhand first. Very good. I love its flavor of the kesar. So, thanks for watching my video. See you on my next video.